Right, so the first one's out. Second rod, we're going to go with an adjustable zig. So, got my zig there, maybe about 1.5 foot maybe, of zig line, onto a swivel, then butt it up to that swivel with my trusted float. Yeah, so that will just go to whatever depth I want. Then my inline lead. Right, so that'll sit on the deck. If you've never used one before, that'll sit on the deck. That will come up. So minimum I'm going to be fishing is sort of 2 foot off. Let a bit of line out. I can let a foot out at a time, and that will just slide up to the depth that I want. Let's give it a go.